Okay, this time we are given the volume and we're supposed to find the radius. Find the radius. Well, since we're given the volume, let's use the volume formula. Volume equals 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. So let's go ahead and take this volume and substitute it in where it goes. Let's put it in for V. So that's going to give us 150 pi. Don't forget the pi. A lot of kids just leave off the pi. Don't do that. Equals 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Okay, now we may have a little fancy calculator work, so watch this carefully. Let's see. If I want to get r cubed by itself, it would be helpful to divide both sides by 4/3 pi. Okay, so I'm just dividing both sides by 4/3 pi. Okay, that way this side just cancels itself out, so that's just going to leave me with r to the third power. Even over here on the left side, see I have pi in both places? If I want to, I can cross out those pi's right now. Now if you didn't cross out those pi's and you typed them all in your calculator, you're still going to get the right answer, so that's okay. So let's just take a look at this. So this is going to give me r to the third power. Will be left standing. Now over here, 150 divided by 4/3, let's take a look. So that's 150 over 4/3. Okay? And again, if you have the pi up here and the pi down here, you're still going to get the same thing that I'm about to get. Okay? So I'm getting 225/2. So just leave it like, no need to make it a decimal, just leave it like that. So this is 225/2. So if I want the radius, it's time to take the cube root of both sides. Okay, because if I want to uncube things, I need to do the cube root, like so. Cube root. So I'm doing the cube root of 225/2. That's what I'm about to do. So let's see what happens. Okay, first of all, if I want to do the cube root, I need to type the 3 first. This is how you do the cube root. First, lead with the 3. Now, look down here. See above the caret. See how it says x root? That means I can do any root, whatever number I lead with. So I led with the 3. So if I hit second caret, it turns that 3 into a cube root. So, what was it again? 225/2. That's right. So, N over D button. 225/2. Cube root of this. That gives me 4.83. And that's it. That is how you do that.